Huang Yuxing, a restorer for endangered ancient books of the Library of Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, believes patience and circumspection is what it requires to get the job done. An ancient book restorer mending an ancient book is similar to a doctor treating his patient.
有时候做这个事情的时候，其实要考虑的东西很多，还蛮复杂的。你得考虑它的时间成本和那个人力成本。我都说了，随便一本书到我手上，要是没有100年以上到我手上，还真不想修它。
Recently, Huang Yuxing has been busy treating the collection of UFO poetries on history by 4 poets, which was completed over 100 years ago. Huang first needs to make the paste, lays out her tools. For the month, it holds mostly the size of an ant. She fixes them by dipping a little paste, gently applying it on the missing spots, and leaving it to dry naturally. In the end, the encroached parts would disappear, and the pages appear as old as before.
刚开始是有责任心的情况之下，就是恐惧和害怕。恐惧和害怕是怕把书给毁了，可能就是修书时候手都是抖的，就是怕这个书在我手上就毁了。100来年的这个宝贝，总不能毁在我手上。但后来自己技术越来越精进了，它怎么破、怎么烂、怎么湿、怎么干，我都不怕。到这个时候呢，那就不会抖，就这么破、这么烂的纸张在我手上，我肯定能把它补好，绝对不会出问题。
People rush through life, but she refuses to comply. Over the past decade, Huang performed the same steps over and over again nearly every day. Before that, she was a middle school English teacher for 12 years. Some wonders what made her switch to this line of work.
因为我刚才说了，因为我喜欢，相当于我把我这个兴趣和爱好当成我一生的事业。修完了之后，这书还能用，还能看。有时候就说那些就破损太严重那个，其实连字你都认不得。但是我修好了之后，它能认，能去做数字化，那内容就留下来了。我很热爱这个工作。
The top principle in Asian books restoration is to repair the old as old. Ancient books are vital to China's commitment in carrying on its cultural tradition, foster a Chinese ethos, and enhance its cultural strength.